take you on a little trip around the house, show you exactly how much we got. Just got through snow blowing. With a lot of breath, definitely out of shape, but I did it. And it's front of the house. Now we probably finished up with a little over, it's got to be at least 27, maybe 30 inches. A lot of drifting. Coming up to the front of the house, really got plowed up. Good to have it done. Yeah, shut up. I know I didn't take the Christmas decorations down yet. Front of the house, the street. Lovely job the city does plowing. My tax doll is at work. Ain't that something? I don't know what the hell my neighbors are going to do. Absolutely ridiculous. Wind's died down. Sun's trying to break through. A lot of drifting though. Well, here's to you, Nemo. You suck. Alright, time to go chill. That's it, folks. That's all we got for you. Have a great